Hey everyone, and welcome to this tutorial. In today's video I will show you how to transfer money from Coinbase to Gate.io. The first thing you will need to do is to go over to the Coinbase website and log in. Once you're logged in, you need to go over to the top right and click on the send/receive button. You'll then get a pop-up looking similar to this one. The first thing you'll need to do is to select the coin you want to transfer. At the moment I don't have any crypto on Coinbase, since I hold all of my crypto on Gate.io, Ascendex and Binance, but for this example I'll just go ahead and select Bitcoin. Once you have selected the coin you want to transfer, you will need to fill in your address. So to find your deposit address, you need to go over to Gate.io and then go over to Wallet. Here you need to click on the deposit button. You'll then be sent over to this page, and the first thing you need to do on this page is to select the coin you want to deposit. Make sure that this is the same coin as you've got selected on Coinbase, because if you send your crypto to the address of another coin, you will lose all the funds you're transferring. So I'll go ahead and select Bitcoin. Once you have selected the coin you want to deposit, you'll now have to select the chain you want to use. To transfer Bitcoin, you will have to select the Bitcoin chain. If you're not sure which chain to use, I recommend you do a quick Google search. Also, if the address you're using isn't compatible with Coinbase, you'll get a message saying invalid email, phone or address. So there's really nothing to worry about. As you can see, my Binance Smart Chain address for Bitcoin is compatible with Coinbase. So now that I've selected my Bitcoin address and the coin I want to deposit, the last thing I need to do is to fill in the amount of Bitcoin I would like to transfer. So for this example, I'll go ahead and fill in 50. At the moment I don't have any Bitcoin to send, but all that's left to do now is to click on continue and then go through the verification process. If you found this video helpful, let me know by leaving a like or subscribing to my channel for more tutorials about cryptocurrencies.